Hey guys, what's up? It's Sean, Autotopia LA. Today I'm here with Chuck and we're back at my friend Dean's SoCal Classic Car Storage. I've seen this in here multiple times. Every time we're here, we go, ooh, ooh. So, did you start with a bone stock Gladiator?
No, I actually bought this auction, Barrett Jackson.
As is?
As is, Barrett Jackson.
Oh, you're stoked.
I got an email and I saw the car on there. It's like, wait a minute, that's got the Demon engine in it. I want it. So I was the lucky overpriced bidder. It was a place in Las Vegas. And in fact, Dakota Customs did the engine swap, and they are the ones who specialize and were the first ones to do the Hemi swaps. But this was the first one that they did with a Demon engine in it.
So it's got the Demon engine, which 800 horsepower.
850 horsepower with the 2.7 liter supercharger. So it was right out of the crate and popped it in. It fits in there perfect, like it came out of the factory. You'll see when we take a drive, you'll hear the supercharger just winding in the car. It's pretty loud.
Which is such a great sound, isn't it?
It's pretty cool.
I mean, I love that.
They modified the transmission to handle all the torque on it and the extra horsepower. Redid the front and rear axles. They did a 6.5-inch suspension lift on it, Evo. Got the King coilovers on there as well. New drive shaft. I mean, they put 40-inch tires on there by 15.5.
Really?
40 by 15.5. Super wide, because you need bigger tires for a bigger engine.
Yeah, I mean, when you were just driving towards this as you were about to park it, I mean, there's so much tire on the ground.
And you'll see it drives phenomenal.
Does it
drives
really?
Super smooth for the power, and it gets up and goes pretty quick. One of the special things they did was add the Demon emblem on each seat up there, so you know.
Oh yeah, now I
there.
see it. Yep, that's cool. And I see the Demon out here.
Yep.
Possessed is the perfect name for it.
Yes.
And that's a seriously tall step up to get in there, isn't it? Do you have step downs? Oh, nice. That's so cool.
You
That's
need that.
smart.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. And so much better than having an exposed steps way down and just killing the viewpoint of it. Crazy suspension on here though, man. I mean, it's really tricking here. And then so bumpers they did also.
Bumpers are stock. So these are the bumpers that came with the launch edition.
Really?
Yes.
With the winch and
yes,
everything?
With the winch. In the back is what the tire carrier, this is kind of unique to the car. So it gives it kind of that off-roading look to it.
And like you said, you have another Jeep that you actually go hit the dirt with. This is really like.
This is for looks.
This thing you ain't gonna go launching this thing.
No.
Now, I assume they've done exhaust too, yeah? Because it has.
They did exhaust,
to it.
yes. Absolutely did exhaust. This would not get smog in California. So California is off the road.
So you have a Montana LLC
I
or
sure
something?
do. The plates are in the back, but I drive it right now without any plates on, just because.
Cops aren't going to stop you. They're going to look and check it out, and you probably get thumbs ups from cops, I would imagine.
Yeah.
I dig these wheels on here. I mean, the color, I like red anyways. I mean, you can tell I have red shoelaces. I have a ton of red shoes. Like, I really like red, but this color is really great.
It makes it pop. It pops with the Demon emblem.
Totally.
You know, the red stitching inside too was custom.
Yeah.
But no, it really, I wasn't sure at first with the red rims, but it really does justice for the car.
They look great, man. Do you know what they are? Are those
Zephyr.
And it's a true beadlock.
Yeah,
I gotta imagine.
it is a true
Even
beadlock.
Better with that much power.
Yeah. 20-inch Zephyr wheel, but it perfect size for the car.
It's a 40 tire, man.
40 by 15.5.
That's just monstrous.
Yeah. Gas miles are phenomenal on this.
Oh, I bet it crushes. You got to get at least 2.5 to
6
3.
miles a gallon.
Right.
On a good highway.
Let's go check out the interior.
The red stitching all over, the Demon emblem in there.
They've
got the leather all over the dashboard.
God, this is a clean interior, man. This is really beautiful. Just bitching, man. And do you run 850 and you're running pump gas on it?
Yep.
Well, I say we, close it up. We'll fire it up and let's go for a little drive, man. I'm really curious, Chuck.
All right.
Dude, I love the whine.
Oh yeah.
You're barely touching the accelerator.
Yeah.
You've got the whine. It's one of the greatest sounds. I love turbos. I love that wastegate sound, you know, but man, the supercharger, the whine we get of a supercharger is so good. Okay, so blast past them and just enough. Whoa. Yep. And then you can lift to let them catch it. Yep, I should have expected that's what it was going to do when I said you can blast past. It is really, I got to admit, surprisingly smooth with, you know, 40s on it and this kind of a lift. And
Yep.
It's, like, I get it. You can actually go just cruise and enjoy this thing.
Your wife can drive it.
Yeah.
Or your 16-year-old son.
No. Yeah, I was just going to say, there's no way the 16-year-old's getting this thing unless you're sitting right here with him.
Nope.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. No wonder you leave it in the storage place a lot. You're going to get in trouble if you drive this thing all the time. Wow. You know what's crazy to me, as much as it's accelerating, it doesn't have that raw, scary thing, you know? Dude, this thing.
The sound is just...
It's so good. And I love that otherwise, like, you know, like right now, all of a sudden it gets super quiet.
Yep.
I mean, the most you hear is tire noise.
First got the car, I mean, just hearing that, one of my buddies, is that normal? Absolutely, that's normal. Listen to
Totally
the
normal.
beauty.
It's good. We love that.
That is amazing.
I mean, Dodge has been crushing it with the muscle car game. They really have.
Yeah.
I mean, and now they're putting that Hellcat motor, anything they can fit it in, they're dropping it in there, you know? We keep joking, going, okay, I want to see them put it in a Pacifica. I want to see a friggin' 700 horsepower minivan. But I wouldn't be surprised at some point if they can figure it out.
For sure.
Why wouldn't they, you know? I love, whoever did the tune on this did a great job with getting your transmission to shift the way it does.
Dakota Customs.
They did it all, huh?
Yeah, they did the whole engine swap. So they were recommended, they were the first ones to do the kit to make the swap possible, and then everyone else kind of followed suit with the Hemi.
Gotcha. And where are they at?
South Dakota.
Man, I'm just thoroughly impressed with this thing. This is, it feels like it was done by the manufacturer.
Right.
Seriously badass Jeep Gladiator that is truly possessed. Here's a few more of our favorites from the Mopar and Hemi crew.